First question, which equation can be represented a vertex of 1, 3? So we should be able to hammer this one out pretty quick. It is A. Remember, it is the opposite of the first one, and then up 3, of course, on the second one. Question 2, where is the vertex at?
2, 8.
No. 2, -8.
Oh,
2, -8. Watch those signs. And where is the y-intercept? Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put that point on here because we're going to have to sketch it anyway.
0, -4.
Okay, how do you get that?
You put it in standard form.
You can put it into standard form. You could also plug in 0 right here.
forgot my math book.
0 minus 2. What is 0 minus 2?
-2,
Squared.
4,
4 minus 8.
-4.
Okay, so that is another way to get it. I could put it in the standard form, or I can plug in 0 for x. So you went to find your math book and you came back without it.
Yeah.
Yes, but I'm glad you found a mustache, so that's good.
I had
All right, the other one. Where's the other dot? Find one other point. Now, if this one, guys, is 2 units up and 2 over, the other one is the same way. 2 up and 2 over. Could label that point as well, 4, -4. You could have said, hey, I plugged in 0, that's 2 to the left of 2, let's plug in 4. You could plug in 4 to the equation as well. It does say find one more point, so you do need another dot on there. Question 3. Without graphing, determine what the vertex is. Okay, so what is the vertex of that equation?
-5, -7.
-5, -7. Now, does that thing open up or down?
It opens up.
It opens up. So that means that point is a minimum. That is going to be the lowest point of the graph. Question 4, matching. Caleb, you got them matched up there? What do you got?
2, 4, 3, 1.
2. I actually got those other 2 switched. I got 2, 1, 3, 4 is what I have. Question 5. What happens if I put a half in front?
It's wider.
Wider. Graph gets wider. How about if I have a -8? It moves down 8. So let's graph it. I know it's going to be down 8. And wider, again, you can just pick some points and try. Let's try 4. Let's get a couple of dots on there. I could just sketch it wider, but let's be exact. What's 4 squared? Half of that? -8. So 4 is 0. That means I know the other one's going to be at -4 is 0. And then you can visually see that it is wider. Question 6. I got 3 answers for that one, Mr. Tulp. What do you got?
I have 4.
Oh, you have 4. What do you got?
A, C, E, and F.
Okay, I don't like C.
I have A, B, E, and
Definitely just didn't drop it. Looks like she chucked it up first.
Yeah.
Yeah, so dropping means it'll just go down, I think. So that's why I don't have C circled. Question number 7. Hey, Abel, when it says technology required, just to plug this one in to Desmos, what is the max height?
20 feet.
For which one?
F.
A?
F.
B?
What?
Object A?
27.5.
Oh, you said F there, okay. I just went by object A and object B.
27.5 for G.
Object B? 27.5. Which object hits the ground first?
Or A.
Object A. It does say which object. So it should be A or B. How do you know that?
Because it reaches its maximum first, and you can just look at the graph.
Yeah. Looked at the graph. Fine. Question number 8. Andre thinks the vertex is at 2, -3. Liz thinks it's at -2, 3. Do you agree with either of them? No. What is it actually at? Yeah, neither one got it right. Bums. Question 9. Samira, what do you got for 9? We got A.
1.015.
Should just be 1.5%. Tells you right here. Remember decimal to a percent, and then they add it to 1. That's why the 1's there. It's going to include the original amount. How many years? 5. Tells you an exponent. How much money was invested? 2,000. How much money is in it now? I need an answer.
4,886.44.
Write an equivalent expression. I would just combine those exponents. 60 times that thing will get interest put on it. That's monthly for 5 years. 12 months for 5 years, 60.